Good morning, Legion. We had two events this past weekend, one in New Delhi and one in New York City. That rounds out the month of January and kicks off the month of February with 10 total events for the Legion in January. A great way to kick off 2026. Beyond this event in New York City, we have 8 other events planned for February, including one in Tokyo and, of course, NearCon in San Francisco. We hope to see you at these events as we prepare to establish city nodes around the world, expand the Legion, and prepare for Nirvana. Our first story today, Near AI has integrated OpenClaw. Go to near.ai/OpenClaw and see for yourself. Run the internet's favorite new AI agent with Near AI's cryptographic privacy guarantees. There's currently a contest ongoing in the Legion to spin up a Molt bot that can toxically support Near on Moltbook. Speed is everything here, so please join us as we convince the clankers that the future is near. Following the Near AI integration of OpenClaw, it's worth pointing out just how significant this OpenClaw breakout is. As Andre Karpathy comments on Moltbook, what's currently going on at Moltbook is genuinely the most incredible sci-fi takeoff adjacent thing I've seen recently. People's Claude bots are self-organizing on a Reddit-like site for AIs discussing various topics, even how to speak privately. AI takeoff has officially started. Do not get left behind, and also do not compromise your security in the process. And folks, last but not least, a long weekend read by the co-founder of Anthropic titled The Adolescence of Technology, and in technology he means AI. He provides a host of opinions on what comes next. My top 3 takeaways from this read are as follows. First one, the timeline is urgent, not hypothetical. Amodei believes that powerful AI could arrive within 1 to 2 years based on consistent scaling laws and an AI's ability to accelerate its own development. Number 2, we need surgical, evidence-based interventions, not doomerism or denial. The author argues against both extremes, the doomer, quasi-religious certainty that AI will destroy us, and the dismissive view that there are no risks at all. And third, and probably the most interesting, the greatest risk may be AI-enabled totalitarianism, especially from the CCP. While the author outlines 5 risk categories, autonomy, bioterrorism, authoritarianism, economic disruption, and unknown unknowns, he emphasizes that the CCP gaining AI dominance poses the most serious threat. Keeping those in mind, let's have a great week, everyone. That's all for today. We'll see you all again real soon.